Here's how to troubleshoot and replace your iVend in the models listed here. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4 inch nut driver. We use a nut driver here to speed up the process. You will also need an 11/32 inch socket. To begin troubleshooting, press the service mode button on the inside of the door. Press 0 for diagnostics. Press 6 to run the alignment test. If it is not aligned, you will hear beeping and see an error message on the display. A solid red light on the iVend emitter indicates it is working, but no light or a flashing light means it is misaligned or blocked. To remove the iVend, turn off the machine. Here's how you remove the iVend emitter board and receiver board. Your metal parts may look slightly different, but the iVend removal will be the same. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4 inch nut driver used here. Remove these screws. Keep your screws on hand after removal. Take off the panel on the left. Snap off the iVend emitter board cover. Remove the emitter board from the white standoffs. Now remove the nut, securing the harness strain relief clip. Then remove the strain relief clip from the harness. Remove the screws along the side of the bin. Then remove the panel protecting the harness. Next, remove the screws on the right side here and remove the panel. Snap off the iVend receiver board cover. Now remove the nut, securing the harness strain relief clip. Remove the receiver board from the white standoffs. Then remove the strain relief clip from the harness. Even though your board may look slightly different than this, the connections are the same. Follow this plug up from the iVend on the bottom. Squeeze the small tab and pull the plug loose. Then pull the harness out on the bottom to remove the iVend. If your iVend is a different color, the directions are the same. To install an iVend, run the harness back up to the control board and plug in. Make sure everything is installed before tightening the harness. Firmly attach the iVend back on the standoffs. After all wires are connected, before tightening the harnesses and attaching the steel pieces back on the machine, turn on the machine to verify proper operation. The iVend system detects whether a product is delivered or not. If no product is vended on the first coil rotation, the machine will try again. If no product is vended, the customer will receive their money back in full. Once you have verified the iVend is working, place the steel cover back on. Use 3 screws to attach the upper panel here on the right side. Attach the harness strain relief clip. Now secure the nut holding the harness strain relief clip. Now reinsert the side panel protecting the harness and the screws to secure it in place. Install the iVend emitter board cover. Use 3 screws to attach the upper panel here on the left side. Attach the harness strain relief clip. Now secure the nut holding the harness strain relief clip. Thank you for watching this video. For more assistance, contact VendNet at 1-800-833-4411.